Hello everyone and welcome to the March end of month update. We're going to cover performance across stocks, futures, a couple of important systems updates, a new tool that we've just rolled out. So let's get into it. Starting with the stock algorithms, we had a very strong month, finished 4 for 4 in the last week of the month and closed up 16.5% overall. Really clean performance across the board on the stock side. On the future side, the master count finished the month up 3.8%. I do need to address something that happened on March 27th and March 30th directly, because I know some of you may have seen unusual results in those days. Due to recent changes in NASDAQ contract rollover and the war, some accounts experienced slippage on those two dates, and depending on your specific fills, that resulted in either small gains from a trailing stop loss or actually losses on those particular days. It was not a system error, it was a function of the contract transition and headline risk. Despite those 2 days, the master count did hold a net gain of 3.8% for the period, which we're satisfied with given the circumstances. Let's talk about the updates, because this is where things are getting exciting. We rolled out version 2.2a of grass-fed prime beef during the final week of March. This version is currently running on Tuesdays only, replacing the previous GFB configuration that had been underperforming on that specific day. The result was an additional 1.3% gain during the last week of March alone. That's exactly the kind of targeted improvement we're always looking for. Identifying where performance is lagging, making a precise surgical fix rather than changing the entire system. Along the same lines, GFB 2.1 has been updated to disable trading on both Tuesdays and Thursdays entirely. Data consistently showed lower performance on those days, and our approach is straightforward. If a day is generating unnecessary risk without commensurate return, we're going to turn it off. This is part of our standard optimization process and something you'll continue to see us do as we refine these systems over time. We also introduced a brand new futures algorithm in March called GQ version 3. It delivered 10% performance during the month, and I want to be transparent here. Since GQ v3 only recently went live, majority of those results were only captured on our internal systems testing and not on many client accounts. Most of you were not live on this trading system yet during March, and we're going to continue to monitor it closely and scale in client participation as the system matures and we build more confidence in live data. We'll keep you updated on that specifically. Last thing, on the infrastructure side, we've partnered with a new platform called RiskLow. RiskLow is designed to track and analyze trading performance across accounts, giving deeper visibility into trading behavior, performance trends, optimization opportunities. We've dropped a link in the newsletter so you can learn more about what RiskLow does exactly and how you could benefit from it as a client. That's the full March update. Stock algorithms were strong, futures were net positive despite a very bumpy contract rollover and war headlines and tweets left and right. It was a very interesting month in markets in general. Grass-fed beef was updated with the release of 2.2a and continues to improve. GQv3 is now live and being monitored. RiskLow rolled out on the infrastructure side, and we'll keep doing what we always do at Vector, which is making decisions based on real data, removing risk where it doesn't pay, and refining the system continuously. Stay disciplined, and we'll see you next month.